Burj Khalifa. It's one of the most expensive hotels in the world, one of the few 7-star hotels. If you want to visit the Burj Khalifa, you can do it best from this beach. It's just near the Burj Khalifa, and the other side you have paid beaches, but this is a public beach. And if you want to go inside the Burj Khalifa, you pay a couple hundred of euros to have drinks or have a high tea, and you can see the Burj Khalifa in front of it because there are gates, so you can visit the Burj Khalifa inside for free. So if you want to see it, you need to see it there. We were just making some photos for Instagram and for YouTube, and Giovanni was not the only one photographing me. There was a bunch of Chinese people coming here, and some even with a flash camera. They all made photos of me because I was posing here in my bikini, and then I wanted to lay down and get some stuff out of my bag, and of course they photographed my ass. And just behind me you see a lot of people standing together photographing two girls in a thong bikini. Yeah, very obvious with the cameras like this. so that's interesting, yeah. Hey, this is La Mer Beach. It's just behind Jumeirah Mosque, about 5 kilometers from the Marina Bay. And it's not a private beach, you don't have to pay, so you can visit here, just sunbathe, you can rent some stuff. You can see the Burj Khalifa just behind me, but yeah, it's so big I think you can see it almost everywhere in the city. But it is a nice beach, yeah. We are standing in front of the gold souk here in Dubai. It's in the old part of Dubai. You have several souks here. You have a herb souk, a perfume souk. But first we're gonna have a look at the gold souk. So I finally found my necklace and pendant. I bought it here. Before we went in the shop, first thing I did was look up the prices of gold today, because the stocks are going up and going low. So I looked up for 18 carats of gold what the price was for 1 gram, and then the negotiation can start. Make sure that they weigh your gold, because then you're sure that they are not overpricing it. They are allowed to charge approximately 20% more for a simple piece, sometimes more if you have jewelry. Like here on the display, they worked a lot to make the jewelry, but sometimes they ask a price for a piece and not for the grams. Well, they can charge then 50-60% more, I don't know, maybe more. They charged me 50-60% more, but I have it for 20% as they should. And I'm very happy with my